Okay, today we're going to strip down a Range Rover Evoque, take the handle out and strip the door for painting. So there's the access hole, and it's a torque bit, you just loosen it till it comes loose. Doesn't matter how many times, just wait till you see the cap come out. And there's no wires in this handle, so the handle itself isn't too bad. No wire to unplug. That's it, work its way out. The cap can come off for painting. No plug. Pretty simple. And the door trim is pretty tricky. Usual behind the handle, there's the screw. It's a Phillips head. It's optional, that can stay, but we'll take it off for now. There's another Phillips head in here. A little way in, so I just have to line it up. And we unclip this. So the windows. Now we have two hidden ones here behind the little caps, one on either side. These ones are torque bits, so the other one's a Phillips head, there's the other one on the other side. Which is a 27 torque bit, I think, or 25. That's the back of the door card. You can see the handle wire, a few extra plugs for speaker, and the loom. There you go, that's what it looks like up. Now, if you're painting the door, we might need to remove the mirror and the belt mold. Remove the trim with the little speaker. I'm using a T30 here for the mirror. There's one big plug for the mirror. That's it, mirror out. And there's a little finishing mould there, with a little torque head behind there, and one down this end for the belt mould. Remove those, and that one comes off pretty easy. The belt mould's pretty easy too, you don't really need a belt mould in either. Should lift off. There's a little mould on the front of the door. This one has been stuck on before with urethane, so don't worry about that. But that's the door stripped to paint or blend. So hopefully this has been good. If you need any info, please like and share, and also subscribe. Thank you.